Yo, 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 it's Frizzy Frizz coming at you from Cuba, son. We're in Cuba right now. Well, no, we're on a boat. We're on a boat. And we are... Hold on, people are looking at me weird. Like always. This is supposed to be the adult pool, but I guess it's closed. My sister making her first appearance on FM Valdez YouTube channel. Holla! Luggage handling and process. This is the oh shit. We are on floor 9, right? Lido deck 9. Guess where we gotta go? Thank you, mother, for booking us and making us stay on the first mother effing floor. This is the walk we gotta do every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Anyway, I'm dying to get off this goddamn boat. I haven't made any videos because I haven't really been feeling up to it. But, so you know. Hold on.
You ready?
I'm good. So you know. I'm done with this boat. There's mad people. Hold on. Oh, thank you, sir.
You want to do that? And I'll finish up
Yeah, I'm recording.
It's hilarious. I want to come to a pocket. I want to make you laugh all the time.
That's my brother's slutty ass friend with the little Daisy Dukes. Even number cabins. God, we gotta walk a mile, son. A mile. Fucking Asians. They're so weird.
You got the key?
Maybe. Perhaps. This is so far, my god. Here. What are they doing? Yeah, you do. We look stupid, she says. So done with this boat. I feel like T-Pain. I'm on a boat. If only Poseidon could see me now. But he can't. You guys ready to see the Grand Estate? There's nobody here. This is, yo, Cribs Carnival Edition, son. This is my bed. See those steps? This is chrome, baby, chrome. Can't scratch it. Stainless chrome, son. Going up to my sister's bed. All, you know, down comforter, down pillows. She ain't got no springs. It's my mother's bed. Oh, this is our daily pet. What is this, a snail? Yo, I ate escargot yesterday. That shit was off the chain. I'm gonna eat you too, little snail. Gah! Oh, trouble's here. Trouble's here. This is our room. This is our hot little room.
Brandon, use that pen.
For what? Oh, and my pen. My pen's... I got a black pen in my bag, I think.
Where is that? In your book bag?
I think so. Next time you guys hear from me, hopefully it won't be on a motherfucking boat.